she's the model wife and he's the zombie husband. So that sounds like a very, very colorful marriage, almost as colorful as Kareena Kapoor's style statement. And this is going to be your first Holi, you know, as a married woman.
I was sitting actually with all of us in the room with my manager and everyone, and I was like, you know, everyone's gonna ask me this question. No one's gonna ask me about Lakme. Everyone wants to know that it's Kareena Kapoor's first Holi. I'm married and I'm playing Holi. So, God, that's like the biggest thing ever, isn't it? But really sorry to disappoint, but Saif's in Lucknow and I'm in Bombay. I'm home alone and it's like I'm working because, you know, I'm always been a mazdoor.
We've all been looking at the trailers of Go Go Gone, like I was telling you before, and very, very impressed. You know, it looks like it's trending on Twitter as well already. So, what does the lady love have to say about it? Like, it's obviously very out there, a zom-com.
He wants to make the films he wants to make. He's not going to typically try and make a film because it's a 150 crore blockbuster.
Yeah.
So, you know, 2 item songs, 3 action sequences, 2 comedy kind of buffoonery kind of stuff happening. That's never really been Saif. Who other than Saif Ali Khan to really, you know, come up with and produce and say that, you know, while everyone's like, no, we shouldn't do this, we should do like, you know, isme item gaane nahi hai. Saif's like, listen, I want to make a zom-com, you know, I think that's really cool because it's what I want to do. So, but that's what, you know, everyone loves about Saif.
Absolutely.
I hope the film does really well because then we can take off for more holidays, guys.
Absolutely, and that's what Kareena always wants. And I have to say, I am very close to her, and the blush when she talks about Saif isn't just the makeup; it's right from within.
I've always really respected him as an actor and now as a producer. So, I hope that, you know, the film does well and he continues. We have some great ideas to make like 3-4 other movies in the production also this year. So, I hope if you know, they come along and I'm sure
that they will. And obviously Kareena Kapoor is always stunning, and especially today you're looking very, very beautiful. You always do, but there's just something about today. What could it be?
Just before this I had 2 pizza slices.
Okay, we don't like her.
French fries.
We don't like her more.
Oh my god, it was amazing. I had it after like really long, and my dietitian is gonna watch me walk the ramp.
Oh, okay, so high pressure then.
Totally high pressure,
Yeah,
but I mean, that's fine. I've been a good girl. I've been in Bangalore and shooting, and it's really boring. The food was really boring.
Don't say that. I'm a Bangalore girl, so don't say that.
This was amazing, but I mean, I was like on a diet because I'm shooting with Imran. So whenever it's with Imran, it's like, God, even in Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu, like I hardly ate, and now I love Imran. I love working, but the worst part is that he gets to eat and I don't.
Have a very happy Holi, Kareena.
Oh God, I'm shooting an ad. Can you believe it on Holi?
Okay, always the workaholic. You really have to stop being like this.
I mean, it's ridiculous, yeah. But anyway, I mean, it's okay. There's my sister's in Goa, my husband's in Lucknow. So what am I doing here? Might as well as like make money.
Don't worry, there will be plenty of happy Holis ahead and many happy festivals. So thank you so much for joining us. It's a very colourful interview as always. Thank you.